In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a VC on Discord. If you're new to Discord, a VC is a voice channel, the place where you can talk in real time with other people on a server. Joining one is extremely fast, and you only need to do a couple of simple actions. First, open the server where you want to chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the channel list. This panel is the hub of the server's rooms and conversations. It usually includes different types of channels: text channels for typing messages, forum channels for structured discussions, and voice channels for live audio. Voice channels often have a little speaker icon next to their names, which helps you spot them quickly. Now, all you have to do is click the name of the voice channel you want to join. The moment you click, Discord connects you to that room. You'll know you're in when you see your avatar appear in the roster of people currently in the call. That list usually sits under the channel name and shows everyone who's connected at that moment. That's really it. There's no extra confirmation screen or complicated setup required. If the server is set up with special permissions or a channel has a user limit, Discord will let you know, but in most cases, it's instant. Once you're inside, you're part of the conversation. A couple of quick pointers to make the experience smoother. If you notice no one can hear you, check that your device's microphone is allowed to be used by Discord and that your input volume isn't muted. If you prefer not to speak right away, you can mute yourself or deafen your audio so you don't hear others, then unmute when you're ready. Using headphones can help reduce echo and keep your audio clear. And if you see a ring lighting up around your avatar, that means your voice is being detected. You'll also notice the channel name becomes highlighted in the list, confirming you're active there, and you should hear any ongoing conversation right away. If others are chatting, their avatars will light up as they speak, making it easy to follow who's talking. So to recap, open the server, look to the channel list on the left, identify the voice channel you want, click its name, and you're in. That's all you need to start talking on a Discord VC. Enjoy your conversation, and happy chatting.